it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a huge cleaning product haul. Everything here that I'm going to be showing you is from Grove Collaborative. It's grove.co, not com.co. I'm going to have a link down in the description box for you guys to get a free gift. But first I'm going to tell you a little bit about Grove and like what they are. It's an online website that you can buy basically all the favorite cleaning products that I already currently use. So Mrs. Meyer's, Method, 7th Generation. You can find like toothpaste, toothbrushes, kids cough and cold medicine, vitamins, feminine care, toilet paper, kitchen roll, or what is it called in America? I never know what it's called. Paper towels. That's hard. Basically all of the stuff that you need to keep your home healthy and clean, and they're all natural products, but this way you don't have to leave your home. You can order all of them online. Every single month, if you know that you're going to use up a granite spray, floor cleaner, toilet paper, you can sign up and then every month they'll deliver it right to your door. So it's a really convenient way to get all of your cleaning products as well as like feminine care products, skincare stuff. There's so many different things. I had so much fun shopping on this website. The shipping was insanely fast, like super quick. I think it was like 2 days shipping. So a lot of the things that I ordered on Grove were a lot cheaper than if I were to buy it in store. So you're saving yourself some money. And there were scents that I don't have in my local store that they did have available on Grove. Grove is so sweet. They've given me a special link that is especially for you guys. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. If you use my link and you spend $20 on the website, they're gonna send you a free gift, which is really exciting, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you get. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Date Geranium Scent Dish Soap. Oh, and it smells like flowers, like super fresh flowers. So you're gonna get that. You're also going to get a Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Geranium Scent Hand Soap. You will also receive a multi-surface everyday cleaner. I love these. I've tried a lot of different scents. You guys know I love the lilac scent. Never tried the geranium, but I'm super excited because this is the one I've been wanting to try. I've bought so many in the past. You're also going to get a Grove Collaborative Fog Gray Kitchen Towel, and you'll get a free 60-day VIP trial. Let me just look up the VIP because I want to give you guys exactly what you get. So it's valued at over $90. Our VIP program is just $19.99 a year, so you're gonna get that for free if you use my link to sign up, as well as all those things I just showed you. And it gives you unlimited free shipping and returns, 4 free gifts a year, dedicated VIP phone support, and early access to exclusive sales. It's really cool because when I got my order, I got this little card, and inside of it is a little note from John, and he actually gives the phone number, and you can text him anytime you have a problem. I'm like, dang, I've never had a website do that ever. Like, that's really cool. If you're an existing customer already and you use my link, you will get a free walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. You'll also be able to choose your scent out of these Mrs. Meyer's products. So if you don't like the geranium, they allow you to actually choose the scents. And if you're a new customer and you spend over $39, you will get this cute little bucket, and it says Grove Collaborative on it right there, to keep all of your, it says it's a cleaning caddy, so you can keep all of your little cleaning supplies in there as you're going your merry little way throughout the house. So I thought that was such a cute little basket. I love that. So they do ship to 48 states at this time currently. So no Canada, no Alaska, and no Hawaii, unfortunately. But if you live within any of those other 48 states, then you're good to go. You will be able to get this stuff sent right to your home. You're able to cancel anytime. You can decide how often you want the shipments. So a huge thank you to Grove for partnering up with me for this video and for offering that lovely gift for my followers. I really do appreciate it. And now we're just gonna go ahead and get onto the stuff that I actually ordered. So the very first thing is this Grove Collaborative Dish Brush with a replaceable head, and it's basically just a little dish brush. How cute is this wooden handle too? I feel like they look really like nice. It's not just like a little cheapy plastic handle. Like, that's a good brush. We got some paper towels. These are the ultra absorbent paper towels from Cleanjng by Grove. What's really cool about these is that they're 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. Bamboo is ready for harvesting in as little as 3 months, while trees take 20 years. Bamboo absorbs 5 times as much CO2 as trees. No pesticides were used in growing our bamboo. Our sugarcane is a byproduct of sugar manufacturing upcycled to make this product, and this variety of bamboo is not a source food or not a source of food for panda bears. That's good to know because that was the first thing I thought. Don't steal the food from the panda bears. These are the paper towels. You get 2 jumbo rolls. Then we have the ultra soft bath tissue from Cleanjng by Grove, and it's all the same kind of information as far as the bamboo and sugar cane. Also, I'm reading here that a portion of every Cleanjng purchase goes to the Arbor Day Foundation to plant trees across the United States. And it adds up fast. For every 50 rolls, Grove will plant a tree. So that's really nice. So it feels like you're doing something good while you're wiping your bum. So I got 2 paper towels and 2 things of the toilet paper or bath tissue. I also got the ultra soft tissues. You guys know I've been battling a cold for like what feels like my whole life. I think I've had it for almost, it's going on a month now. It's not as bad as it was, but like this, it just doesn't want to go away. I blow my nose so much. So I got more tissues because I ran out of my other ones. And these ones are also by Cleanjng, the Cleanjng by Grove ultra soft tissues. This is the Method Wood for Good Squirt and Mop Wood Floor Cleaner. Now, I really like Method products. I think they're really good. They always smell nice. This one is almond, and also what I like is that the way they packaged everything, there was a ton of bubbles in there. Everything is packaged really nicely so that nothing's gonna spill. Like they tape up all the things that are liquid. There is padding in there so nothing was gonna get ruined or broken. I don't want this to squirt up my nose. Oh, it smells so good, like almond. So Method is really great. And you can just have your mop and just squirt as you go and mop and squirt and mop. It's just like so much more convenient. So I love that. Next, I got the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner in Spearmint. And again, it's taped, which I just think is just, it's the little things, you know, that make such a difference. Oh, it smells like toothpaste. Like it's so fresh and spearminty. So I got 3 of those because then I can keep 1 in each bathroom. And I really like the way that these are angled. Like I just feel like they're just like, you know, it's like a really good little design. I like that. Okay, then I got the Method Antibac Bathroom Cleaner. This is also in spearmint. Okay, then I got the Method Men Sea and Surf Body Wash for Jay. We've never actually tried this one. I love the actual packaging because I feel like it looks real manly. I do want to sniff it and see what it smells like. Oh gosh. That reminds me of a cologne he had from the Body Shop once. It's really clean and kind of like, it smells kind of like marine-ish, but super fresh. So he's gonna love that. He always uses all of mine and like he's fine with it, but it's always like super foofy smelling. Then I got the Burt's Bees Baby Shampoo and Wash for the kids. Okay, I've been wanting to try this brand. Our friends had this brand when they had a what's it called, slumber party, and this was the brand that they had for their toothpaste, and my kids were like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So when I saw it on the website, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely getting that for them. They're gonna be so excited when they get home from school. This is the Hello Kids Rinse fluoride free and no alcohol organic watermelon flavor, and it's completely clear, which is awesome because moms, I'm sure you'll completely agree with me, you get these bright colored rinses for your kids and then they spit it everywhere because you know that the last thing that they're worried about when they're spitting out their toothpaste and mouthwash is being clean. And then you've got these little blue or green or bright pink like spit splashes all over your sink, and it's such a total pain in the booty, and then it constantly looks like such a mess. I can't get it open. Okay, well, I can't open it. Apparently this is adult proofed as well. I'm just gonna have Jay get that open. My hands are very weak. Then I got the 7th generation dishwasher detergent gel. Also the Hello natural watermelon fluoride free toothpaste for the kids. I can smell this one for you. I'm pretty sure I can open this. Look how cute the little thing is. And this is the exact one that her friend had. Every time I try new toothpaste, they're like, wow mom, thanks. And I'm like, oh man, all I did was buy toothpaste. I'm like the coolest mom ever right now. Yeah, it's like a really subtle hint of watermelon. It's like a natural watermelon, not fake watermelon. So they're gonna be very excited for that. More tissues for my issues. Then I got the Alba Botanica Kids Sunscreen SPF $1.50. This one is in the Tropical Fruit Clear Spray. I love the clear sprays because they're just so much more convenient. Grove Collaborative All-Purpose Cleaner Orange and Rosemary 2-pack. You can use it on ceramic, chrome, concrete, and granite, stainless steel, and more. Twist off top and dispense into 16-ounce spray bottle, and then fill the bottle with water, replace nozzle, and shake. So you squirt this into this bottle right here, and then there's your cleaner. So you can basically make your own cleaner. And it says that you can use it on stainless steel. Like, how crazy is that? And then this is your little bottle. So that's really cool. I'm excited to try that stuff out because I always use the Method or the Mrs. Meyer's. I've never tried this one before, so I'm intrigued to see how that works. Okay, then I got some essential oil. I think I got the sleepy one. Yeah, I did. It's the Grove Collaborative Sleep Relaxation Blend. I have diffusers all around the house, in the kids' bedrooms, as well as in ours and downstairs. Oh god, that one smells so good. I got this one specifically because I thought I could put it in the kids' diffuser at night. It just helps them sleep, I feel like. It just makes the room smell all like sleepy and delightful, and I think it works. I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. Kind of like licorice. A little bit of like lavender and licorice. It smells good. And then I also got the Love Bug Probiotics Little Ones. Now, I've never tried these ones before, but the kids keep getting sick. And like, then of course I get it because they sleep in my bed with me, and then they mouth breathe on me. Jay never gets it. I'm like, he is so lucky. But it's because they mouth breathe right here on my face, and then he's on the other side, and they're on my side, and then I get all the germs. So I figured if I can get them some vitamins, that then hopefully I won't get sick as much, because it's ridiculous. And I'm like, I breastfed those kids for so dang long. How on earth do they keep catching colds? It's ridiculous. That's what they look like. Let me know if you guys have tried them before and your thoughts, if you like them or not. I saw them and they looked pretty good, so we'll give it a go. For me and Jay, we got the Hello Activated Charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. So this is like a black charcoal toothpaste, and it's supposed to naturally whiten your teeth. Now, you guys know I'm all about whitening toothpastes, but I figured I would give it a go like on the more natural route, because this has got fresh mint and coconut oil. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. I'm really excited. Let me smell it because I'm dying to know what it smells like. Oh, it smells like mint. So it's like a natural mint. Very excited for those. Some Baby Organics SPF 50 sunscreen stick for the kids for their face. These sticks are just so convenient because applying it with your hands, it's such a pain. And I feel like sticks, they'll sit still for me better with the sticks. Then I got the apple cider hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's. I've had this one. I got it last fall and it was delightful. So I got 2 of the apple ciders. I also got the Compassion Flower from Mrs. Meyer's. Now, this one was a limited edition, so if you want this, now would be the time to hurry up and grab it, because I don't know how long they're gonna have it on the website for. Oh, it's a really subtle, very lovely, I don't know, it's a flower for sure, but it's not like a super fresh flower. It's kind of like almost like a sweet flower or something. So I got 2 of those so that we can have these in our bathroom, and then the kids they'll have the geranium one in theirs, and then we'll have the other ones downstairs. Oh, another dishwasher detergent gel from 7th Generation. And this is the Method Daily Granite. Oh, that's what it's called. I've been using this for quite a long time, probably a couple years now. I really like it, especially if you have dark granite. Then I also got the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in Citron. That one smells like lemons, which is very nice. Yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also got the Method Daily Shower Naturally Derived Shower Cleaner. This is in a eucalyptus mint, and that one smells mainly like eucalyptus, not so much mint. Then I also got the Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented Pure Castile Soap for my beauty blender. I recently just used up the eucalyptus one, and that was a bit of a strong scent to clean your sponge with, so I figured I would just get the unscented one this time. Then I got the All-Terrain Fabric Bandages. These are latex free, and they come in like a 30 count of all different sizes. You never know when someone's gonna scrape their knee when you have kids. I also got the Zarbee's Cough Syrup and Mucus It's got dark honey and ivy leaf in it, and this is natural grape flavor, and it has a sweet little bee on it, so it makes you feel like it's friendly. Oh, we also got some toothbrushes. This is the Preserve. I got one for Jay, the green, and one for me. We got some Curoxin first aid ointment. Like I said, when you have kids, there's always an owie that you need to put cream and bandages on. And then the last thing I got was an actual skincare product. This is the Acure Seriously Soothing Micellar Water Cleansing Towelettes with rose and cucumber. Doesn't that sound delightful? Plus the packaging is so pretty. I actually just want to like try one out so that we can see. Oh, they're very subtle. They're not overwhelming at all. I don't even really smell the rose. I would say it smells more like cucumber. They're for normal to sensitive skin. They're 100% vegan. So there's everything I got from Grove. If you guys have been thinking about changing out your cleaning products into more natural products, or if you want to try out like more natural toothpaste options and tooth and mouthwash, sunscreen, that kind of stuff, then I definitely think you guys should check out Grove. Again, it's grove.co, not com. And again, if you just use that link down below that I will leave for you guys, it's just grove.co/Samantha Sherman, then you will get that free Mrs. Myers set where you get the cleaner, the dish soap, the hand soap, the towel, and the dish brush for free when you spend $20 on grove.co. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. A lot of them I already use, but some of them are new to me. Let me know if there's anything specific that you're like, oh my gosh, yes, I use that. Or if you already do use Grove, what are your favorite products from them that you think I would like? I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Grove for partnering up with me for this video and offering that really lovely gift. That's really nice. I appreciate it so much. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and happy cleaning. Bye.